You know something? There are times where I hate Blip TV. Why, you may ask? Well, if you look for the Blue Lightning Chronicles on that site, you'll find that my account has been removed for some reason. Haven't a clue why, but not only has my account gone down, I was on Blip TV earlier, and I've noticed that Romo's the second account's been removed as well. Yeah, I watch his commentaries, do me. But all that aside, I've just literally given up with Blip.tv. So if you look for the Blue Lightning Chronicles on there, it is no longer there because my account has been, well, I guess you could say terminated, because it didn't meet the terms of service, or as I like to call it, the terms of bullshittery. So yeah, but I have come up with a backup solution. If you still want to watch the Blue Lightning Chronicles, if you actually like that series, go to my Daily Motion account. I will upload them there, and I just hope you enjoy them. So yeah, that's pretty much all I have to say here. Blip.tv, you're really gay. My backup account for Blip.tv is on Daily Motion now. I recently just made that account so I can re-upload the 2 episodes that I had on there onto that account. So I will see you guys on that account or in the next video I make. So see you later. Peace.